Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to disable Facebook share button. Basically, share button allows us to share our posts to friends to their timelines. So without further delay, let's proceed to the steps. Firstly, you need to open your Facebook app. So to get rid of share button, first way is to create a post. Tap on what's on your mind. Now let's create our post. When you finish creating your post, and below our profile, tap on public and set your post to friends. After that, tap on done, and on the top right corner, tap on post. When you share your post to your friends, only your friends can see your post and they cannot share your post to their timelines. So the next way is tap on three-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And again you need to tap on settings. When you enter on settings, scroll down and under audience and visibility, tap on post. And when you enter on the post, here you can see who can see your post. Tap on it. Here you got the different option. Tap on only me. So this is how we disable Facebook share button. Thank you for watching.